Think Zofran is just a simple fix for nausea? You might be missing some crucial information that could impact your health. Today, we're diving deep into Zofran, also known as ondansetron. It's a powerful medicine often prescribed to stop that awful feeling of wanting to throw up. While incredibly helpful for many, especially those going through tough treatments like chemotherapy or recovering from surgery, it's essential to understand that even helpful medicines come with things you need to watch out for. We'll uncover its primary uses and then reveal three key risks you absolutely need to know before taking it. The main job of Zofran is to block certain chemicals in your brain and gut that trigger nausea and vomiting. It's a lifesaver for many, from cancer patients to pregnant women dealing with severe morning sickness. However, its effectiveness doesn't mean it's without potential downsides. One significant concern is its effect on your heart. Zofran can sometimes change your heart's electrical activity, a condition called QT prolongation. This might sound minor, but for some it can lead to serious, irregular heartbeats. Another risk is something called serotonin syndrome, especially if Zofran is taken with other medicines that also affect serotonin levels, like some antidepressants. This can cause symptoms from confusion to a fast heart rate. Lastly, many people experience more common side effects like headaches and constipation, which, while not as severe, can still be very uncomfortable. Understanding these risks isn't about scaring you, but empowering you to have informed conversations with your doctor. Always tell your healthcare provider about all your current medications and health conditions before starting Zofran. To learn more about managing nausea safely, check out our next video popping up on your screen right now.